Hello everybody, hello from Londonist. Today we're with a topic that you might be really interested about because we're going to talk about top 10 universities and the interesting facts about the universities in London that you didn't know. You know that London universities are the top choice for international students all around the globe, and today we're going to bring out some historical facts that you might have not heard of. University of London. It's a very old university in a building, and it's been through a lot of historical events, including the World War II in the UK. Well, the UK and London was severely bombed in the World War II, but the London University of London was skipped. According to some resources, it was skipped intentionally because Adolf Hitler was planning to use its Senate room as its headquarters in the UK. University of York. University of York is one of the top universities in the world, and its population is very rich, also from people from home and abroad. But one thing that you might not know about University of York is that its population is not just rich of its students from home or abroad, but its population is rich with ducks. It has an immense duck population. According to statistics, around 14 ducks reside every quarter of an acre in the campus. Surrey University. A lot of people don't know that Led Zeppelin made their first public performance in the Great Hall of Surrey University in October 25th, 1968 in Battersea. Here is a creepy little fact about the University of Liverpool. Although the University of Liverpool is right in the center of Liverpool City, you might somehow see a ghost around there. Actually, a lot of students claimed that they saw a ghost of a patient. Considered the student guild of this university was built on a hospital, this legend may be true. Birmingham University. So Birmingham University is known for its old Joe clock, but this clock is considered as bad luck if you're underneath it when it chimes. So as a student, if you don't want to get an F, do not stay near the clock when it's around to chime. University of Cambridge and University of Oxford has an ongoing rivalry between them, and literally the students of these schools call each other as the other side or the other people. Durham University. Here is a romantic fact for you. Although it's stated is located in a very calm place nearby the river, there is a lot of life going on in the university. This romantic fact is about 72% of students in the university get married to their classmates, seniors or juniors. Well, that's a romantic fact. In the University of Cambridge, famous poet Lord Byron kept a bear as a pet, and it was a protest against university's ban to pets, although there was nothing mentioned about having a bear as a pet. Coventry University. Well, the structure of this university is very artistic. Also, there is a patch of grass near the admin block where there are a number of tombstones. These tombstones couldn't be removed because there used to be a church before the university was set up, and it couldn't be removed. University of Edinburgh. The oldest newspaper office for students was located in this university. The oldest newspaper of students was started by Robert Louis Stevenson in 1887. Tell me in the comments which was your favorite fact. I think I'm in between the ghost of the University of Liverpool or the romantic fact of Durham University. Tell me which fact is your favorite one, and I'll see you in the next video of Londonist. Take care.